I made a remix to the Weeknd part 1. Bird part 1, so I just want y'all to hear it, so just tell me what y'all think about it. Look, I'm a man, I'm a G, I'm a real fucking nigga. If I make you fall in love, you might as well just put a trigger. I ain't looking for no love, I ain't looking for no hickeys. You be really fucking lucky if I ever let you kiss me enough that I'm really tired of you calling my phone if I'm at home. Who you chillin' with? Are you chillin' with hoes? Leave me alone. I ain't dealing with this shit, I'm in my zone, getting my dough. You know I don't got no time for all these hoes, so stop though. And you know I ain't tryna be with a female that holds me down. And don't say you love me, cause you know how stupid you sound. And if I tell you something, you should understand it, cause I ain't looking for no love, baby, no explanation. You ain't crossing to my heart, baby, no immigration. Don't make me make you fall in love, cause trust me, I have you waiting. And when I have you waiting, I'ma have you saying all the shit that I don't wanna hear, so baby, understand it.